We found tape underneath the lid of yours so money could not be put in it. What do you have to say about that? Oh, sure. Yeah. See, I distinctly remember you as being one of the people that were putting the jars together last week when we started. So do you have an accomplice?
I need the name and Tara takes the jars.
Tara, did you help her do that? Do we need another chair and another bag? I'm going to think Michaela is a guilty party here. Oh, I don't think you're too guilty.
I know.
Michaela, you can leave.
You get that? What are you doing?
I hope you got the $150 collected.
What's even greater is this is all getting on film.
Okay.
Greg, stop ralphing. I know. Greg, Gregory.
What are you bouncing
No.
You're going down something down like a digger. What are you bouncing up down on?
And how much money you think you raised?
I don't like this.
Too much? You must have a lot of friends in your senior class. Oh, how much money do you think you raised? Too much. You got a lot of friends there? Yeah. And you know what? Somebody came in with some money after the fact today thinking they could bribe me. What do you think of that?
I think you should take it.
Think I should take it? Was that a good deal? Which one do you think they want to give it to?
Well, probably me.
You want to know who brought it in? The guy sitting next to you. Well, he's going to take one for the team. Okay? But you were actually the winner, but he's going to take one because he tried to bribe me, so give it
He has track practice right after this. Dance practice there, he didn't tell her right away.
No, me and that, it could be. Over in the